Last lecture, we saw the folder structure and also got the idea about the flow of the application. In this lecture, we are going to learn about JSX. JSX stands for JavaScript extension. That is, writing HTML element inside JavaScript is JSX. So whatever is written inside the return is JSX. JSX is not directly understood by the browser. Now the question arises how this JSX is then rendered in the browser. We need some types of translator that does the job. And that translator is Babel. Babel converts the JSX into an equivalent code that is understood by the browser. Now if we'll remove this header and write here a simple p tag, and inside that if we write a simple text hello and save it, we can see the output hello in the browser. But what is the equivalent code that Babel is translating into? So to know the equivalent code, let's go to the Babel official website and first copy this code, and here if we'll come to the Babel website, here if we paste the code, we can see the equivalent output that Babel converts the JSX. So here we can see react.createElement. Inside that, first argument is div and the second argument is an object which contains the class name, and the third argument is the child, and so on. This goes on nesting how many child is inside the JSX. So it becomes very difficult if we write this code and later if we want to debug it, it will be very difficult for us to debug that code. Now let us write the equivalent code that Babel has given in place of JSX and let us check the output. To do so, we have to import React. And after that, we remove this code, and in place of this, we write react.createElement. First argument is div. Then the second argument is an object which contains the class name. And the third argument is its child. If we'll save this code and check in the browser what is the output, we can see we are getting exactly the same output. In the next lecture, we are going to see what are the expression we can write in JSX.